Pecan Hill Farm. I'm not really in Pecan Hill Farm today. I'm over at a friend's house, and I told him that I was planting some blackberry bushes. He wants to be able to come out and off his front porch here and partake of blackberry bushes. And so I said, yeah, sure, I'll come over and plant them for you. I've already dug the holes here. It's kind of a wet, foggy day today. I figure I better do this before everything shuts down because of the virus. And so anyway, I went to Atwood's. I got some blackberries, 1-gallon pots, and I got some from my place for Pecan Hill Farm last year, and they just did fantastic. And I don't even know if they don't even tell you what kind. They just say blackberry, but they do a wonderful job. So I went ahead and got the hole prepared, and I know it's maybe a little wet to do this, but you know, who knows if we'll be able to travel anywhere if they keep sheltering people in place. So we're gonna give it a shot today and get this done before that happens. So I've dug the hole bigger than the pot, than the bush. I want to get it down to the level, plant it at the level that comes in the container. And we're facing the east. This is the only place he has here to really plant anything is an east face. We've got a fence on this side. Hopefully these will get enough sun, but we should, I guess we'll find out this year if this is going to be a bad location. But this is the only place he really has here to plant these. And this being Texas clay, you can tell, as wet as it is, it's really going to be hard to fill this hole back up, because it just kind of clumps up in your hand. So I brought along some compost to mix in here with it to kind of help it to mix with this clay to make it a little bit more pliable to fit in here and get all the gaps filled. So the roots will be able to expand out into this clay. It's a mess. It's a muddy mess. The weatherman said we've had 11 days in a row of rain for this area. It's an all-time record, he said. So all the lakes should be filled up, so that's a good thing. Okay, one in. One thing I'm going to do, though, because we're in a front yard situation here, I've taken some cardboard, I've cut a hole in it, and we're going to put that over the top. Move all this clay out of the way here. Put that over the top. Set that down right over here. Then I'm going to put mulch over the top of this. The reason is, in this yard setting, we got Bermuda grass, and it'll get into everything. So, set this down. I'll put the mulch over the top, and hopefully this cardboard will help keep the grass at bay. And then, as it rains, after the cardboard will deteriorate, maybe by next year it'll be gone, and we'll have control of some of this Bermuda grass that grows here in this area. So let's move on to the next one. Get in there with the pot, check it, see if it's about the right depth. It's pretty close. put some of this compost in it. Set it back down in there again. See, that's going to be about right. Take it out. Set it in there. Try to put in as much of the natural soil as we can. But like I said, it's awful clumpy because it's wet. Probably not the best time to plant this in the mud, but like I was saying, I might not get another opportunity to come over here. Some compost around it here to fill in the gaps. Move this old clay out of the way here. Get my next piece of cardboard. Put it over the top here gently. Set it down here. Get it where I want it. Get some of this mulch out here. Somehow I've lost my knife out here somewhere. Okay, nothing better. You'll come around here and put a border around these and put more mulch in and make this like starting a little bed, maybe a blackberry bed that will go down this row, down this fence line, and that'll look real nice. Got one more plant. Go. Looks good. See if we can get some of the soil back in as much as we can. Okay. Compost down here. Level this out with the soil around it. Okay, we'll get this cardboard. Get this out of the way. There we go. That there on it. Get our bag of mulch. It's awful quiet on this street today with everybody staying home. It makes you feel like you're in one of those end-time movies. Okay, that looks good. We'll clean this up around here. Clean up this old dirt. He'll come along, frame this out, put more mulch down, and hopefully maybe this year he'll get him some blackberries. Now I'm going to go back behind and plant a couple of things in his grow box, and I'll see you in just a couple minutes. Okay, I'm behind my friend's house, He's got a couple of grow boxes here. I brought those over for him a couple weeks ago before we have this travel ban that's maybe on. So I got to get this done. So all I got for him today is just one cucumber plant. It's called a Market Moore 76 that I grew under my shop lights. So I'm going to put that in for him. I got a couple seeds here to plant, and we'll get him going. This is pretty simple, cut and dry. Small hole. Take a little bit of this peat pot I got him in. Oh, I like these peat pots. Just kind of take the bottom off. Let those roots grow out. And put him down in here. Cover him up. This ground's so wet. We've had so much rain lately. I don't have to worry about water. Now, I've got a couple more cucumber seeds I brought him. These are called munchers. So we're going to we'll make a couple places here. They love them cucumbers over here. You never know. We may not be able to go back to the store, so we better grow something, right? Those are in. Got him some of these 8-ball zucchini. His wife can cook him lots of zucchini bread. Put one of those in. And I think he's going to run down and get some peppers here this week. So we'll leave a room for some peppers. Got some sunshine coming this week. These things will start growing like crazy. Maybe he can trellis up his cucumbers along his fence here on his deck, and he'll be in good shape. So if you like this video, subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you much.